Hi, welcome to this channel. Have you ever felt constantly tired, bloated, heavy, or unable to concentrate? Many people immediately think, my body is full of toxin. I need a detox. But what are toxins and how does the body actually remove the toxins? Toxins are harmful substances that may enter the body through polluted air, cigarette, smoke, alcohol, contaminated food, certain chemicals, and unsafe workplace exposure. The body also produces waste material during normal metabolism. Fortunately, the human body already has a powerful natural detoxification system. The liver processes harmful substances, the kidney filter the blood and remove waste through urine. The lungs remove carbon dioxide, the digestive system eliminates waste through stool. The skin also removes a small amount of waste through sweat. So, detoxification does not require extreme fasting, expensive drinks, or unproven cleansing products. The safest method is to support the organs that are naturally protect your body. First, drink enough water throughout the day. Proper hydration support kidney function and helps prevent constipation. However, excessive water is not beneficial and may sometimes be harmful. Second, eat more natural fiber-rich foods. Include vegetable, fruits, whole grains, pulses, nuts, and seeds. Fiber supports healthy digestion and helps the body remove waste regularly. Third, reduce highly processed food, excessive sugar, deep fried foods, and foods containing too much salt. This food can increase the workload on the body and contribute to poor health. Fourth point, avoid smoking and limit or avoid alcohol. Smoking exposes the body to many harmful chemicals, while excessive alcohol can seriously damage the liver also. Fifth point, exercise regularly, walking, cycling, stretching, or other physical activity improves circulation, supports digestion, controls body weight, and promote overall health. Sixth point, notable, get sufficient sleep. During sleep, the body repairs tissues, regulate hormones, and support healthy brain function. Most adults should aim for around 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. Also, protect yourself from chemical at work and home. Use gloves, mask, ventilation, and other recommended protective equipment when handling dust, fumes, pesticide, solvent, or sealing chemical. Remember, sweating heavily does not automatically mean that toxins are leaving the body. Most waste removal is performed by liver, kidneys, lungs, and digestive system. Be careful with detox teas, herbal powders, colon cleansing product, and long fasting program. Some may cause dehydration, diarrhea, electrolytes imbalance, liver injury, or interaction with medicine. If you experience persistent fatigue, unexplained weight loss, vomiting, yellowing of eyes, severe abdominal pain, breathing difficulty, or changes in the urination, consult a qualified medical professional. These symptoms should not be treated with home. Detox remedies. The best detox is not a temporary program. It is a healthy daily lifestyle. Note that. Drink adequate water, eat balanced food, exercise regularly, sleep well, avoid harmful substances, and protect yourself from chemical exposure also. Support your bodies every day and your natural detoxification system will support you. Stay healthy, stay informed, and stay safe. Thanks.